today we're talking about this little guy that I got in the mail sent by the company GVB Gear. So let's talk about it. Alright, so here's the light. And as we can see, it has 162 LEDs. You can count them if you want. I counted 162. Everything looks really cool up close. And it gives good power to light up your scene. And it all comes behind a detachable screen that comes with it. How small it is as small as my phone. Almost as my phone. It's a little bit bigger, but still pretty cool. So just pop in the battery, turn it on, and you'll see right away how the screen lights up. So it has 20% all the way to 100%, from 3300 all the way to 5600 Kelvin to light up your scene. So depending what kind of color you want for your video or movie or whatever you're doing. Pretty cool, pretty simple. Turn it off, pop the battery out when you're done, and that's it. All done. Another cool feature is, if you have more of these guys, you could attach them together, make a bigger light to light up a bigger scene. But guys, that's it for this show. Alright guys, and thank you again to GVB Gear for sending this my way. I'll be leaving a link to the description where you guys can grab one down below. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Bye.